Good morning. It's chore time. So I came up here with two of the boys. Simeon and Malachi are getting the chores done. The cows accidentally let the chickens out, or maybe on purpose. I don't know. It's already very hot and sweaty. We're late. It was raining last night, and with all the roosters out, and it's so hot, they're just like super verbal. So hopefully you can still hear me. Between the rain, I thought I heard a child. We had one dog. One of the corgis just kept barking and barking. So I had to go over and check on them. And it was nothing. So at least nothing I could figure out. And because normally they'll bark in symphony, you know. They weren't. So that took out some of our sleep last night. And then, we're just late getting up here. Quite late. It's probably, I haven't looked at the time yet. It's 8:30. So, whatever. We're here now, getting chores done. I was checking out Malachi's potato garden. And, we're supposed to get a lot of rain this week, so we've lined up someone to cut our hay. It was raining a lot last week. There's a couple of people ahead of us. And now the rain this week. I just hope that we don't get cut out of the mix because we need to get our pasture cut. We don't have enough animals in the summer to keep the grass down enough. And we try to rotationally graze. We just give them the full pasture in the winter because we just can't, well, not the full pasture, the full fenced off pasture. We give them in the winter because we can't, whatever. That's just, I guess, because we just want to. And then we want to fence in this pasture over here, but for now we want to cut hay from it. And I'm a little bit worried about not having a spot that we can cut hay, but then at the same time, we don't have the ability to cut hay ourselves. So it'd be better if it was fenced in. And I would like to get a bunch of sheep. But I haven't been around for a while or very much. I think I posted once or twice in May. It was a few reasons. One, I cannot sit or stand for really long amounts of time. So I will sit for a bit, lounge for a bit, stand for a bit, and just, I can just go through those motions. And that's kind of a pain. And then I just kind of got, down in the dumps with how some of my videos were turning out. They just, I don't know. They just lacked having anything of interest in them, it seemed. And they kind of still do. But I'm trying to push myself to just get videos made. Yeah, bud?
Nothing.
Okay. And then I decided to start getting the, you can go with him. Just stay away from the bull. Just stay in the other fencing that they made. I decided that I was just going to get it done. I was going to start putting out videos again without overly caring about how good they were, just to get back in the groove. And then I edited some, uploaded the one in May, and then the computer crashed and I lost some that I had edited. One was like 45 minutes long, and the edited version was 45 minutes long, and lost all of that stuff. And I was not going to re-edit that. I was pretty frustrated. It wasn't as good as I wanted it to, and then I lost 2 videos I think were fully edited, and then I lost a couple more that were uploaded to the computer, and lost it all. So then I had only uploaded 1 out of like 5 videos, and I was going to go upload the next one and it crashed. So that like just made me feel like quitting and being done. And then I was like, no, you got to get over it. So I decided to go do it again. And I go through the computer and I was like, it must be memory. So I delete tons of stuff and get rid of everything I possibly can. And I start editing again. And some warning popped up. I don't remember what it was. But it alerted me to, okay, maybe I need to delete more memory. So I go and I delete more stuff. And go back to the video, finish up editing it. And it crashes and I lose everything again. So that was after I decided that I was going to post every day in June. And I was trying to get ahead. I think it was like May 28th or something. And so then my get ahead videos were all gone. Like I lost it. And so I was pretty frustrated and like, maybe I don't need to do this. And so I complained to Patrick, and because I don't understand how people do YouTube all the time. Where do they put this footage? Because I'll make a video and then I'll delete everything I have for that video off of my computer. And sometimes I don't get it all done, and that's why I was backed up in memory. So I went through and I deleted everything, and I'm in the habit again of you make it, you upload it, you delete everything. And I don't know how they... There's a chicken up on a cage, and she's... Well, I'll show you. She's up there on top of that cage. Those are our stack of quail cages. And she laid an egg. I actually think that must be yes. Oh, she's trying to go broody. No way. That's not a good place to go broody. Do you see that, Sin?
Yeah, she has to be over eggs.
We need to get them because it's gonna rain. That's not a good place to go broody.
Do you want me to go get them? Home? Or should I?
She probably would attack you. Let's wait for Tubbs. I don't remember where I was. But he went in and he was able to delete a bunch of stuff that I wasn't seeing. So, it seems to be okay right now. And I know another place to be deleting stuff from. And hopefully we'll get somewhere with it. He says that people work from hard drives. And my brain just can't contain that idea. I'm like, but if it's on the hard drive, it's not on the computer, how do you edit it? So you put it on the computer in the memory you have? And then, I don't know. I just don't get it. What? Open the door so they can go and lay eggs, but then stand up the gate so the cows and dogs don't go in there. So, working on it, figuring it out, and hoping to post every day in June. I am at 2,900 and some hours, watch time hours. So I need 1,100 more hours to, reach that initial goal. And my hours start to drop off in August. I started getting more hours last year in June. And then I really actually started to make real progress in August. So, I want to get the 4,000 watch time hours before August, so I don't lose the main hours. So, I'm going to try to post every day this month. And so far, so good. Obviously, you see some that are, really short or whatever. Yesterday's video, or maybe 2 days ago video, I'm not sure. It's today's video. It's going live today, but you don't see that. I don't have one for tomorrow yet, but I don't know if I'm going to edit this one or, we cooked more pokeweed. I don't know which one I'm going to upload first, but it's kind of it's fun to be back in the game, but also it's kind of intimidating, and you always feel like your videos aren't really good enough or what you want to put out there, but I don't really have the time or the ability or even the understanding in how to do a really great video. So this is just what I do. Are you just here or do you need something?
I'm just here.
Well, I'm glad you're here. I like you.
I'm waiting for Ava to go away from the stanchion so I can go do it. And Bull's right there.
Oh, I'm going to see if I can show them our new broody hen. No, she's right there. She had 5. One got backed into a corner and got soaking wet. We tried to save it. Didn't work. And then one was just gone. So there's the dog that the children call Dick. He is a sweetheart. The 2 goats are from a friend. She got them as rescue goats. And they beat up her other goats. So she had to send them on. And they're Maple is the dark one and Honey is the light one. We recently gave them copper boluses and are trying to put a little bit of weight on them. And then that is Charles the bull. And that is Donnie the bull calf. We should have banded him, but didn't. So you know the story. I had something else I was going to tell you when I got back in the car, but I got sidetracked by a rooster wanting to catch Simeon. Oh, we have, I think, whoa, I have quite the zoom on this. Sorry about that. No idea. That'll be funny. Sim, don't swing it unless the rooster's trying to get you. You're going to end up hitting a chick. We have a bunch of chicks that we hatched out as well. They're the ones that are about that tall. They're doing pretty good. Some of them have beautiful colors. I'm really enjoying them. The goats just got chased off by the bull. He's the only one that will fight them. If they decide to headbutt someone, he's the only one that will chase them or tell them no. So it's kind of funny. Oh, it's so hot and sweaty. We have 2 more broody hens. So the first one raised up 5, and now they look kind of indistinguishable between the ones that she doesn't have them in a brood anymore. We could tell them apart a little bit for a while from the ones that we had hatched, but now you can't. They've caught up in size. And then we have that mama with 3. I'm pretty sure that one up there is trying to go broody because she was trying to tuck that egg underneath her. So I might have him grab her and put her in a nesting box or something. That's kind of a bummer. We haven't been getting many eggs, and we've been buying quite a bit of eggs because they're just printing their own chicks, you know? So he's trying to catch chickens. So, you know, that's how that goes. Malachi's done milking, but now you understand why I wasn't posting and now I'm posting all the time. I am trying to build up the channel. I'm out of my funk and also out of my frustrations with the computer currently. I guess that's all. I don't really have a whole lot to say, but we're just gardening. Mostly the children are. Ran out of space. I need to get more stuff planted. I think I might plant, I don't really want to up here near the chickens, but I might just sacrifice some seeds for some stuff and add it to this potato bed. And just hope that they don't tear it up. We'll see. Because I don't really know where else to put anything right now. And I need some things like squash and others. It's supposed to rain a lot this week. So now that he's done with chores, we're going to head down and get anything done that we can before rain so that when the rain comes, we can do inside stuff we'll do inside stuff, but either do inside chores or some inside fun. I'm probably going to do some school with some children today. And we're going to help Patrick get loaded up and out the door for Blade Show. Which is part of the reason I did a video this morning, because I didn't know if the rain or packing him up or something else might stop me from videoing. Because rain on a tin roof is loud. So I wanted to get this done and out of the way. But we're doing good. We're having fun. And we hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining us, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.